Chicken. It's the most consumed meat in the United States. But the story of how it went from backyard flocks to massive factory farms, and now possibly to AI-powered kitchens, is a fascinating journey through our health, culture, and future. In the 18th and 19th centuries, American families raised chickens in their own yards. They weren't just food, they were part of the household. Chickens roamed free, foraging for insects and grains. The meat was leaner, eggs were packed with nutrients, and diseases like obesity and diabetes were rare compared to today. Food was local, seasonal, and fresh. Eating chicken back then was less about mass production and more about community and survival. But everything changed in the mid-20th century. Industrial farming transformed chicken into a product. Today, almost every chicken sold in grocery stores comes from large-scale facilities. Chickens are bred to grow twice as fast as they did a century ago. A bird that once took 16 weeks to mature now takes just 6 weeks. Cheap and abundant, yes, but concerns about antibiotics, hormones, animal welfare, and even nutritional value have grown. The convenience is undeniable, but so are the health consequences. Processed chicken nuggets and fast food fried chicken dominate American diets. It's quick, it's tasty, but is it healthy? Now, we're standing at the edge of another revolution. AI-driven kitchens and lab-grown chicken could completely change the game. Imagine ordering chicken at home, and your AI kitchen assistant prepares a meal tailored to your body's health needs. Or imagine lab-grown meat, real chicken cells grown without factory farms, promising cleaner, cruelty-free protein. 3D printed chicken fillets, smart ovens that cook without over-frying, and personalized nutrition are no longer science fiction. In the next 5 to 10 years, what we call chicken might look very different. So from backyard coops, to factory farms, to AI-powered kitchens, chicken's evolution is more than just about food. It's about health, sustainability, and the choices we make for the future. What do you think? Would you eat AI-prepared or lab-grown chicken? Or do you wish we could return to the simplicity of backyard farming? Tell us in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more journeys through the past, present, and future of food.